Well, good evening, everybody. It's Bella here, and I've just come on to show you what I've been up to this evening. I've just found some bits and bobs to make a new page, gone completely rogue, and I've decided that I'm going to change the colour up a bit and make it a little bit more cute and more vintagey, I suppose. But that's what inspired me when I saw these in my stash, because I was looking through my little boxes. I've got some of these with the handles, and I found some in there. And I've also found these lovely, now that is a cotton reel. I don't know whether you can see it. Okay, isn't it sweet? So I've got a few of those. I've got a button. I've got scissors. It's not a sewing book, but I thought I would just introduce some. Look at these, aren't these super? They're like those, the embroidery ones that we have. So that's going to go on the other one, which I shall bring over and show you. This is the other one I've been doing. And I've just done a ruffle on there, and I've put some lovely lace down there. And I've just been adding little bits that I can then stitch over the top. I'm going to put some lovely stitching on there. I haven't quite decided what I'm going to do in there yet, because it evolves as you go along. Things change, and you may change your mind, and you know, you may want to do something else as you're going along. So that's going to go on here, and I may put a tiny little bit of lace on there. I did have some of this left, which might tie in that. And let me just cut that off. I only want a tiny bit. It's almost like cheesecloth, look. And I'm just going to introduce another layer. Just keep adding layers. Isn't that fun? So that's that one. And this one, I've got the cotton reel down here. I'm putting a button on there. That's from a little tray cloth that I had. And I'm going to put this cute little button here. It's got the right colours, but it's also gorgeous that side as well. So I may do that, or I may do that. So we'll see. And I may do something down, a row of something down here as well. You could just go on and on, couldn't you? I mean, it's got so much scope. And sometimes when you have these not so, intense patterns, then you're able to use your stitches more. That's what I'm trying to say. And this is why I've done this on this one. And I'm going to put some stitches on here, which will show up. There I may do invisible stitching. I don't know. We'll wait and see. But I just wanted to pop on because I've been busy all day getting ready for my holiday tomorrow. So this is a really short video tonight, but I just wanted to give you some more ideas of what you can do. I know this is totally different to this, but it does go with that. Look at the colours. So this is what my thinking was. And the colours are still running through even on this one. There's no blue in it, but, it's picking up these colours as well. It doesn't matter. Make it eclectic. Make it traditional. Do whatever you like and see how it comes out. So I'm sorry it's really, really short this evening, but I did promise I would come on and give you some more ideas. And I hope you have a wonderful evening and look after yourselves. And hopefully I'll be able to tune in whilst we're away and learn to do some shorts. Well, this is definitely a short, isn't it? I could almost put it up as a short, but I've been watching videos today to learn how to do it, but it's quite involved. So I'm hoping my grandson will make it a lot easier. So I'm all packed, I'm all ready to go, and I've just got to pack all this away now because I did pack it and then I thought, oh no, I've got to make another video. So I just wanted you to know that I was thinking of you and that I've done what I promised, but this is quite different, quite different, and I absolutely love it. These are my eldest daughter's colours, these, and I shall be thinking of her when I'm stitching this whilst I'm away. So there you go, that's something different for you, and you can mix and match just like I did. Let me just get my book, excuse me, dashing about. If you remember this one, see, I've got loads of different colours on there, totally different colour there, totally different colour there, and a totally different colour there. So you can just swap and change it as you please. Okay, so there's no rules. You do it exactly as you want to do it. Now, that's what I was telling you about, and that's what I should be doing on some of them when I'm away, and I'll do that with you. I'll do a little patch, and we'll do that together, all right? And that's what I did over the top of that, the one stitching I was showing you yesterday, and that's just a little piece on there. Isn't it cute? So I'm going to take this with me, I think, just to keep me... Oh, and there's the pins that I was telling you about. So they're there, and I've got that down the side there. So you can just add as you feel like it and make it your own. All right? So there we go. Something different, and I shall catch up with you very soon. Take care now. Bye.